friends, once more welcome to Minecraft's gaming video. Today let's make a moving vehicle. Now let's move on to the video. So for making that moving vehicle we need these blocks: slime block, piston, sticky piston, observer, clay block, minecart rail and block of redstone. First of all we need to keep two clay block like this between one space and a slime block like this in two sides. And in the center put a sticky piston, and back of that two slime block again, and in the two side slime block like this and the back also, and place two clay block in the back side and a piston in the right side, normal piston. Now we need to keep two slime block here, and for placing the observer we need any block up of here, and place the observer facing down like this, and put any block here and a rail and the minecart. Now delete the below block, and I hope it's ready. How to ride is put a block of redstone in the front right side, and it's working. And now let's make a racing car. For the racing car we need slime block, piston, sticky piston, observer, minecart, rail, block of redstone, clay block and acacia wood stairs. First of all, place the racing car above the one block above the road because it don't work in wool road. Place three slime block like this and delete the center one. Put a sticky piston in the center, and in the front place three slime block here and two slime block like this for placing the observer downwards like this, and two slime block back side and in the two side also, and again back side, and place the piston, a normal piston, in the right side. And now we need to make the tires in clay block. You need to place the tires like this, and in the back side also, and place a slime block here and acacia wood stairs here. Now let's ride it. For riding it, place a redstone block on the right side of it, and it's working.
Like a Hellcat.